Hey kids, have you ever seen leaves turn yellow, orange, and red in autumn? It looks like magic, right? But it's actually science at work. Leaves are the food factories of trees. They use sunlight, water, and air to make food, a process called photosynthesis. The green color we see comes from a special chemical called chlorophyll. It helps leaves capture sunlight just like solar panels. But when days get shorter and cooler, trees know winter is coming. So they stop making food and take back the energy from their leaves. When that happens, the green chlorophyll fades away and the other colors hiding inside the leaf finally appear yellow, orange, red, even purple. So the colors were there all along, waiting for their turn to shine. Finally, when the leaf's job is done, it falls gently to the ground, making that lovely crunch crunch sound. Cool, right? So, next time you see the colorful trees, remember it's not magic, it's nature's science show. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun science stories. Bye bye, kiddos.